Hello dear friends, welcome back to our Kesra Textile Company guys. In today's video, you're gonna be see some of the beautiful concepts, in particular Pakistani suit dress materials concepts related to upcoming Eid occasions guys. Yeah, many beautiful concepts are waiting for you. So stick to the video till the end. And with one of our guests, he's a sales executive person, Anand Dubey. Yeah sir, he gonna be giving all those knowledge, all those concepts, all those preferences about the customer's taste, all the details, minor details he will give us, and he will speak in Hindi, but I will translate you in English. So no need to worry. Just watch the video from start to till the end. Many of the concepts, many of the queries will be cleared in this video. तो आनंद जी नमस्कार।
नमस्कार भैया।
तो आनंद जी आज जो है कलेक्शंस अपने जो व्यूअर्स हैं उनके लिए क्या क्या वैरायटी लाए हो?
आज का जो कलेक्शन रहेगा वो अपना ईद के अकॉर्डिंग रहेगा।
ओके,
पूरा जो है पाकिस्तानी सूट पर रहेगा।
ओके, एक वो 1 minute guys, I request the cameraman to get the whole look of the particular, all the Afghani patterns, all the beautiful suit dress materials. Like these are some of the beautiful festival kind of concepts, in particular ready-made, unstitched, all the varieties and all the concepts you will be getting here guys. So one by one I'll disclose you in this all those concepts. So stick to the video till the end. तो आनंद जी एक के बाद कलेक्शंस दिखाने लग जाइए।
आप ये देख सकते हैं, बहुत ही प्यारा सूट है और ये पूरा जो है पाकिस्तानी पर होगा।
ओके,
और इसका जो आप देख रहे हो नीचे दामन पर ये पूरा ऑर्गेंजा का सिल्क इसके अंदर अटैच किया हुआ है और जो पूरा पैटर्न है वो पूरा मोती वर्क पर है और पूरा कट बॉर्डर पर काम हुआ है। मतलब कह सकते हैं बहुत ही मतलब हैवी सूट है, जो कि आपको इंडिया मार्ट हो गया या फ्लिपकार्ट हो गया या अमेजोन पर हो गया 4,500 5,000 सेलिंग प्राइस है।
अपने यहाँ में क्या रेंज है?
केवल 900 रुपए से रेंज चालू हो जाएगी।
Starting at just at the range of 900 rupees, you will be getting these kind of the amazing Pakistani pure suit dress materials concept guys. Yeah, and apart from that, many of the varieties, many of the concepts like e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Meesho, that kind of the concept, that kind of the websites. On those websites, this the same 900 rupees product will be sell on 4,000, 3,000, that kind of the ranges guys. Yeah, because we are the manufacturers. In the other websites, they are just the resellers only guys.
और इसके दुपट्टे में भी किसी प्रकार की कोई चोरी नहीं।
Okay,
प्रॉपर आएगी इसकी।
Full length you will be getting in the whole dupatta guys. There will be not having any kind of the shortage in any of our concept guys. See guys, these kind of the beautiful small buttas work you will be getting here, and apart from that, these kind of the designing cut border work also you will be getting here. आनंद जी मेरी नजर वहां अटकी है, वो वाला कॉन्सेप्ट दिखाइए आप। या वन ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी ब्यूटीफुली स्पार्कलिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स यू विल बी गेटिंग हियर। सी गाइस,
ऊपर आएगा।
Okay, in the fabric of Georgette, you will be getting the whole patchwork kind of concepts work you will be getting here. And apart from that, these kind of the beautiful, small and shiny stones are sticked here. These the patterns you will be named called Afghani pattern, guys. Yeah, I'll show you the whole work, whole concept. See guys, इसकी कोई फोटोज है क्या आनंद जी अपने पास?
सर ये तो
सेट के अंदर है। राइट। क्या रेंज पड़ गई अपनी?
ये पड़ेगा सर आपको 1400 रुपए से।
Okay, just at the range of 1400 you will be getting here. Yeah guys, in the first video we are disclosing our the ranges also guys. अगली concept बताइए हमें।
अगली जो है प्रोडक्ट ये भी जॉर्जेट पर आएगा, लेकिन इसके अंदर सीक्वेंस और मोती वर्क पूरा जो है एकदम
in the work of sequence with the beautiful designed pearls designs you will be getting here, with the beautiful embroidered work you will be getting, and apart from that, these kind of the fabric will be smooth Georgette fabric guys. Length also you will be getting properly guys. Okay, above the 2.5 meter concepts length you will be getting here guys. See,
रेवन पर आएगा।
On the fabric of rayon, you will be getting these kind of the beautifully Afghani pattern suit dress materials, guys. See, right. These kind of the work of patches upon the net, you will be getting these kind of the work. See, okay, in the net, yeah, guys. Many of the shopkeepers, many of the varieties like these kind of the netted work will be very less quality, but in our company, you will be getting smooth net, which are high quality guys. Yeah, with the beautiful factory rate also guys. These kind of the concepts you will be getting here. just at the, इसकी क्या रेंज होगी आनंद भैया?
ये 900 रुपए से चालू होगा।
Okay, just at the starting of the range of 900 rupees. But let me tell you guys, in these are some of the occasional concepts I'm showing you. If you having the expectation that in our shops having all the ranges will be high, that's not the truth, guys. Because we are starting at the range of 200 rupees to 2500. That kind of in between ranges, you will be getting all the collections in particular suit dress materials, guys. Next variety बताइए.
ये आप जो कॉन्सेप्ट देख रहे हैं पूरा मोती वर्क में लटकन आएगा और पूरा जाल वर्क का काम रहेगा इसके अंदर।
Right.
और इसमें बहुत सारे जो है आपको बॉर्डर्स अटैच मिलेंगे इसके अंदर। ये भी एक तरह से अफगानी पैटर्न ही है।
These kind of the grand, exclusive, beautiful concepts you will be get like in the Afghani patterns, in the Pakistani suit dress materials patterns, all these kind of the beautiful work with the beautiful patchwork kind of work you will be getting with the sequenced work with the beautifully silver zari threading work also you will be getting here. See guys. This will be the beautiful contrasting designing sleeves also you will be getting here guys. How beautiful it was. ये एक आनंद जी आइडिया दे सकते हो कि भाई इसमें इस चार्ट में अपने पास कौन से कलर आते हैं? इस टाइप के डस्टी कलर्स ही हैं या इंग्लिश कलर्स भी हैं क्या?
नहीं, इसके अंदर इंग्लिश कलर आएंगे।
ओके।
दूसरी बात ये है कि जो इस पर वर्क देख रहे हो वो आप जरी नहीं है,
ओके
ये पूरा कोडिंग वर्क है।
ओके
और
थ्रेडिंग वर्क है
हाँ,
अपने पास।
पूरा
राइट
कोडिंग
राइट
वर्क आएगा।
राइट
इसकी एक अलग से मशीन आती है, जिस तरह से एम्ब्रॉयडरी मशीन
Right, right,
मल्टी
right.
की होती है वैसे इसकी कोडिंग की मशीन आती है।
Okay, like these kind of the beautifully coding work you will be getting here, guys. Yeah, not the silver jaried. Sorry for the word. These kind of the beautiful threaded coding work you will be
एकदम
getting
बारीकी
here,
से
guys.
काम
See,
किया हुआ
with
है।
the work of beautifully machinery. Yeah, guys. Embroidery machines are there. They're doing the work very beautifully and minorly. That you will be notice all the beautiful details in particular Afghani suit dress materials, guys. Yeah, guys. This all will be manufactured in our company. What the benefit to choose us? Let me tell you simply. In your native areas, you want to do your business. When you purchase concepts, collections, in particular in your native area, mall, showrooms, retail shops, wholesale shops, anybody, they are purchasing from us like manufacturers, guys. Yeah. They add their expenses, add their expenditures, and then they sell you. So, for the purpose of doing business, then this one of the golden opportunity for you guys to start your business journey now, because upcoming Eid occasions will be there. On those Eid occasions, you will be getting these kind of the beautiful concepts. You can start your business journey minimum at the investment of 50,000, 40,000, 50,000 guys. Yeah. So, be free and frank to call the screen available number. No need to hesitate. And apart from that, give your precious opinions, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. There will be not having any kind of the language barrier, guys. Yeah, north, south, east, west, all the regional state language executive person we are hired here. So no need to worry about the language barrier. So start your business journey now on the beautiful occasion of Eid. And please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।